So behind me is the new building for Zipworld. It's going to be their HQ. It's really brand new, and I've been told that they've spent 3.4 million to build it, but it's really impressive. There's a restaurant and a gallery and the kitting up room and everything. It's brilliant. I love it. I'm going to have to go on it, aren't I?
One sad thing about this place is when McAlpine brought this quarry in 1963 and they started working it in about 1965-66, they came here with their bulldozers and they went through everything that was standing in this quarry. There were sheds on different levels of this quarry, the other side, and I used to work here, so I used to go and just for walks, to go and hide somewhere, and these sheds were really a master, you know, they were intact, completely intact, full of cobwebs, but the wheels and the tables and everything were there, you know. And they came here and they had nothing to say about the history of this quarry. They just bulldozed everything, and as you can see, this is probably the only part of it that's left now. The process of changing a rock with heat and pressure is called metamorphism.
Big word.
Metaborism. Have I said it right?
Yeah.
I can't even see it properly. The Penrhyn heather slate is the highest grade slate in Wales, and therefore perfect for splitting into thin slate tiles. If it says it's the best grade in Wales, it must be the best grade in the world. So, mentioning the little boys coming here to work, this quarry was. The quarry workers in the old days gave a lot of money towards Bangor University, to build Bangor University, so their children and grandchildren and families could get a better life than what they were experiencing. So, and it's still there today. I'm sure there's quite a lot about the quarry in the university, and so that's why we stop here. So we'll make to our next stop.
And in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. Right then, so I have just been to another breakfast meeting for the Welsh Slate Heritage bid here in Bethesda, and it was really fascinating. I went to the one in Llanberis a couple of months back now, and this one was a bit more local to Bethesda, but it still had the same information about the bid, which I will share again. I'm currently stood at the bottom just having a look to wait for some people to come down so I can see the zip wires in action. We've already been to the top. Before that tour, although I knew that the quarry was here, I never realised how big it was. It's amazing.